Hello and welcome back to Open. And, we're always inviting you to get social with us. I was already getting social on SAT, but we want to hear from you. So you can tweet us at BronxNet TV and tweet me at Rhina Valentine while you're there. So on Saturday, June 17th, Healthfirst is going to launch their annual Health and Wellness Expo promoting community wellness in the Bronx. And the day will be filled with helpful and informative activities, health screenings, and more. So joining us now to share more, we welcome the Vice President of Community Engagement at Healthfirst, George Hulse. Hello and welcome.
Rhina, what a pleasure to be here.
Well,
Most certainly my pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here with us. And we kind of got a jump start before the cameras went on. And so you guys caught us in the middle of our conversation regarding the Health and Wellness Expo. So let's talk about this year's Health and Wellness Expo.
It's a great event. We do it at Claremont Housing. We, in partnership with Bronx Lebanon Hospital and the community residents, have made Claremont Housing our healthy village. And we are determined to make that complex of 17,500 people a healthy village. We're working on health with respect to clinical health. We're working with health literacy. We're working with financial health. We're working on domestic violence. We're doing all of those population health things that can make that into a healthier community. And we centered around our Health and Wellness Expo. And so tomorrow morning at the Charles Drew School on 3rd Avenue and 169th Street, we will have a free breakfast for the entire community. Governor Patterson will be our keynote speaker.
Nice.
The doors will open at 8. The program will start at 9. It'll be over about 11:30. And our Deputy Borough President and the Public Advocate, Tish James, and others will stop through. So it's really a chance to listen to the governor talk about health, and then we'll have a panel discussion with 5 clinicians, and they'll talk about health outcomes and how we can make that community healthier.
So just in general, right, as a health company, I noticed that the initiative is geared more towards prevention. And so is there a particular theme surrounding this year's Health and Wellness Expo?
Yeah, that's a great question. The theme this year is 5 minutes every morning of exercise. So I'm going to exercise every morning 5 minutes to improve my health. You know, clinicians are going to tell you to exercise 30 minutes. We're going to say 5 minutes, but it has to be 5 minutes in the morning at the exact same time. So as soon as you wake up, the first thing you do is 5 minutes of exercise. We're not trying to change your actions. We're trying to change your attitude. And we think if we can change your attitude about health, you will change your actions. Then you will go to 10 minutes. Then you will, instead of having that sweet drink, you'll say, that 5 minutes was a long time yesterday. I think I'll have a little water this morning. So we're trying to change actions. And then after that, in the Gouverneur Park, which is at 170th and 3rd Avenue, we're going to have a huge place where we'll have rock climbing, we'll have free massage for the ladies, we'll have over 80 screeners, including a cardiologist, and all of these will be free, there'll be entertainment, and it'll be all day from 11 to 6. So it's a full day from 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock the breakfast starts, till 6 o'clock at night.
This is wonderful, and just recapping on everything that you shared right now, it's because some people they kind of get, I guess, discouraged when they hear it's like health related, but it's like, the healthy doesn't have to be like clinical. It could be fun, and that's the idea. It's
That's
like
exactly what it is. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Even the breakfast, it's a full breakfast. I mean, the governor's going to be there. He'll be taking pictures with people. It'll be, for people in the community, it'll probably be their only chance in their whole life to take a picture with an ex-governor. But the whole day is fun. We've got clowns for the children, and we just want everyone to come out. And really, we're going to give T-shirts away to those who sign a pledge. If you sign a pledge that you're going to exercise every morning for 5 minutes for the next 90 days, you will sign a pledge and you'll get a free T-shirt. 5 minutes is a long time if you never exercise.
Well, the idea really is that you're moving your body, because as you age, the body needs assistance, and you have to pay attention to it.
Yeah, as I get older, when I get older, I'll be more conscious of that. As I'm a teenager, I'm not really looking at it yet.
Oh, I love
But I'm
him.
sure one day it's going to apply to me also. And we do these things because we're a different sort of a health plan. We're a not-for-profit. We're actually owned by Montefiore. We're owned by Bronx Lebanon. We're owned by St. Barnabas. We're owned by Lincoln. We're owned by Jacoby. Those hospitals actually started Healthfirst. So those are the owners of Healthfirst. So we are actually the Bronx's, 1 out of every 7 people who live in the Bronx, a member of Healthfirst. So we've got a special responsibility to the people of the Bronx. We want everyone to come out tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, join the governor, and join us for free breakfast at the Charles Drew School at 169th Street and 3rd Avenue.
Thank you so much, George. That was so wonderfully said, and I so dig you. You know, I'm in denial the same way as you are. Forever young.
Forever young. I like that. Forever young, health first.
Forever young, health first. Okay, that's a tag. We got to talk about that off air now. No, it's just wonderful. The idea is that it's a state of mind and it's a state of consciousness, and we appreciate
That's exactly what it is.
Yes, and it's all for the community. It's for you guys, and it's free. So I don't see why you wouldn't go and check it out and go meet the governor. All right, so don't forget, Healthfirst Health and Wellness Expo is taking place this Saturday, June 17th, from 11 to 6 p.m. at Governor Playground, located on 3rd Avenue at East 170th Street in the Bronx. And if you want more information, you can visit healthfirst.org. Okay, we have to take a quick break, but we'll be back with more Open when we return.